Dealing with db.Timeout on Google App Engine. I'm testing my application on Google App Engine live servers, and the way I've written it I have about 40 db.cookery statements in my code, mostly part of classes. I keep getting db.Timeout very often though. How do I deal with this? I was going to surround all my queries with really brutal code like this. Is this okay? Do you agree? What's a better way to deal with db.Timeouts? Edit. I now use this for any GET queries. I have similar functions for fetch and count.
Queries will occasionally fail. You can either show an error message to the user or retry, as you're doing above. If you retry, however, you should use thread.sleep to add increasing amounts of delay, starting at, say, 50 milliseconds on each retry. Retries are more likely to succeed if they are not retried as fast as possible. 40 queries per request is a lot, though. You should consider refactoring your code. It must be possible to eliminate most of those.
See the new ROT model in GUI utilities. The second discussion below shows how it does retries. It's a subclass of db.model, so your classes can inherit from ROT model instead and take advantage of its retries. This URL.
Here's a decorator to retry on db.Timeout, adapted from one from K framework. To use it, simply decorate any function that performs db operations and you'd like to do retries.
Take a look at this Python auto-retry data store timeouts recipe. Similar to Maury's answer, but you only need to call it once at initialization time, rather than decorate functions that perform data store operations. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.